Hey everybody, Tag Life Done Free. Hey, I'm trying to get a video out to you guys, so as you can tell, I'm kind of dressed in work clothes. Had some meetings today, but I was lucky enough to have the opportunity to continue to make my wife's life a lot easier. She asked me to build her some shelves. So if you remember from the homestead rotation, we did some millings of some of the locust trees out there, so I elected to use it. So anyway, if you're interested in taking wood from a pond through a mill and ultimately to something that's usable, come on, let's check it out. Hey B.
Hey.
What do you have here?
Oh. Woo. Sorry. This is the Life Done Free DIY cabinet kit.
Oh, you're gonna make some cabinets?
No, you are.
Oh.
You're gonna make me cabinets.
Oh, what am I gonna make you cabinets for?
For the kitchen, the processing kitchen. I need a little extra room. I have a couple more items that I thought I did.
So clearly she's on vacation and I'm gonna pay the price. So here it begins. I'm gonna get B some shelves made. This is the first piece of locust that we cut on the homestead rotation. So I'm gonna sit here and build basically some cabinets out of locust. Again, this is my first board, and basically what I'm doing is I'm just measuring from this straight edge over here to this line, which is 10 inches, which is how big the shelves are going to be. I've decided on 10 inches after measuring all my material, and it seems to be the most convenient measurement for me. And at the same time, woodworking with Escape from New York. That will be my movie of the day. Yep, so Escape from New York and tools. Guys, this is the tool I talk about a lot. I've talked about it on my lives a lot. This is my worm drive. Again, it's not a real worm drive because of the gears in it, but we call it worm drive because you see the handle sits back from it. Okay, this is really important because I can look down the blade better than in a traditional circular saw. But anyway, I love that. And then I'm also going to be using my table saw today. I have two of these. Well, not this model, but I have a rigid corded, and then I have this one. But this one's just so easy to move around and no cords to trip on. So what we're going to do is we're going to start cutting up wood into usable chunks. Check back later.
Discount just by having a clean driving record for 3 years. Hey, I'll tell you something in Farmers Policy first. We are farmers. Bum, 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 bum.
Isn't it cute how little kids sweep? So funny. Anyway, this is what they're going to look like. I'll build a bunch of these and then we'll just stick them on the wall, and then B can stack whatever she wants to on it. They're still pretty rough sawing. I ran them through the planer. I ran them through a little bit of a sander, cleaned up the edges a little bit, but pretty easy project to use for some wood. The cool thing about this is it all just came out of our own pond, so I'm pretty excited about building things from the land.